Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota here. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 310 SLX. Beautiful boat in Sea Ray blue with red gel stripe, white hull bottom, white hard top with canvas opening, full powered sunshade on the back, blue canvas with this boat. Absolutely incredible. This boat just came in. It's got the hydraulic swim platform in the rear, twin Bravo 3 outdrives, blue underwater LED lights, dynamic running surface with it. It's powered by twin 300 horsepower Mercruiser engines. Stepping inside the boat, we've got this beautiful ivory interior, snap-in SeaDek flooring throughout the boat, premium upgraded stereo system, dual 12-inch Simrad display screens, Fusion stereo. This is a beautiful boat. Come on into Rogers and check it out. This is Matt Furlong with MarineMax.